Alright, so I'm going to be making this little video to explain to all you noobs how to use the iron farm. Well, poor Brody. Yeah, so you got this little iron farm here. I just finished building it, but down there is the storage. I'll get to that in a minute. And hi, Enderman. This is a little, just like that's the spot up there is where you AFK in a minecart. But this is just for putting your shit in. If you're scared of AFKing over the void, maybe something will happen. I've AFK'd for like a good amount of time. Nothing's happened. This is just if you want. See, here's where the drops funnel in. The iron golems fall down into these little chutes and get killed by the lava, and then the drops go into the chest there. So, and we got a pillager in the middle and 3 villagers on each side. Don't fuck with them. But yeah, you can see there's iron golems spawning, but this isn't its max efficiency. You'll see I built it. Let's get a better view up here. You see, oh yeah. So I got this one of these portals set up here with a minecart track going into it. So you AFK in the minecart, and it teleports you back and forth basically between the outer end islands and the farm. So you unload, because normally iron golems only spawn like every 45 seconds or probably more. So basically unloading and reloading the chunks resets the village's time. So then they'll spawn like every time you come back in. Yeah, so that's how it works, I guess. But let's go and look at the collection point. And then I'll just give you a demonstration. So you come down here, don't fall over. There's no safety rails because, like, you know, who needs that? And then we got some iron here. There's quite a bit. So you guys can just take this too. Don't go too crazy. Like, don't take it all, but yeah, like, you take it whatever you want. I don't really care. But also you can use it if you want. So, oh shit. Did I just look at that guy? What else? What should I say? I guess I'll go up there. I've made this non-elytra friendly as well. Well, to a point. Yeah. Not bad. So, let's go up here and I'll show you how to use it. Alright, so you just climb up this ladder. I'd recommend putting some of your, if you're scared about being over the void, basically, put some of your stuff in there. But don't forget, I almost did this, don't forget you have an elytra and try to jump off, it's a bad idea. So, you just get in this cart, you'll be blocked by the fence gate, and you just gotta, for the first, you get in first, and then do one of those, real quick, to start up the farm. And then get a little, and then you just go through some spawn, you come back through, and this, we got such bad view there. You see some spawn, bam, you're through. So and then besides the server lag, you just wait here and AFK for a while. It's actually really entertaining to, like, watch all these guys spawn in. Occasionally you'll get like a 30 seconds or so like gap, I don't know, where they just don't spawn, but you just gotta wait. You're AFK anyways, so you won't really notice. And then sometimes this doesn't always happen, and I've only really had to reset it once, but you have to, like, reset the villagers, which basically means, like, you have to go over to the center thing, you flip that down, cover the guy for like 20 minutes, and they'll, like, have to work or sleep or something, and you just come back and uncover them, and then it's good to go again. So yeah, have you seen? Bam. It's pretty fun. So that's just how to, like, actually use it.